Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change thumbnail of YouTube Shorts after upload. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to your YouTube studio and then you can start editing on your shorts. So the first thing is just to go to YouTube studio and from there you will need to go to the content. After that, you will need just to go to the shorts that you want to edit its own thumbnails. Basically, you can choose this one, for example, and basically you will need to go to the edit button. And from here, you will be able to start changing uh, the thumbnail, but you will need to have your own, you will have some permissions and you will need to have eligibility to have custom thumbnails. And basically to do so, you will need just to go to the settings of your YouTube channel or of your YouTube studio. And basically, we can just search for the settings and then we need to search for channels. And basically, you will only find it in the web app or the web YouTube studio. So from there, you will be able to find or to add the eligibility. So you will need to be eligible or to verify your ID, etc. So you can be able to start customizing thumbnails. But anyways, all you need to do is just to click on uh, the shorts that you want to edit. You click on edit and basically you will be able to start editing its thumbnail. From here you will find a thumbnail option and you will be able to choose any frame for your video or for your shorts in YouTube Studio. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.